guys, so isa-isahin natin yung ticketing guide for AAA in Philippines. Number 1, how much nga ba talaga ang tickets? So makikita nyo dito guys, so is may nadagdag na 100 pesos for handling fee, upper box generic 3,000 plus yung 100 na handling fee, then up to lower box a VIP 25,000 plus 100 pesos. Ito yung may raffle to red carpet event. So, kailan po pwedeng bumili ng tickets? Ayan, starting today po, November 10 a.m. is meron po magaganap na pre-sale para po sa mga Metrobank credit card holders. Ngayon or hanggang bukas until supplies last, ayan, meron lang kasing limited quantity na allocated for this. Then, paano po kung wala po ako Metrobank credit card? Ayan, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi po meron pong general sale na mag-open po sa public para po sa lahat on November 12. Sunday po yan at 12 noon. So, saan po tayo makakabili ng tickets? Okay, so this time guys is available lang sa Pulp Tickets online. Doon lang tayo guys makakabili sa pulptickets.com. Ano-ano naman po yung mga mode of payment? So, ayan, for Metrobank pre-sale, ayan po yung mga cards na nabanggit po dyan. Of course, is Metrobank lang. Then, for general sale naman guys, ayan, Visa and Mastercard credit card and debit cards are accepted. Paano kung wala akong kahit anong credit card o kahit anong card, debit card? Don't worry guys, kasi accepted din ang GCash, GrabPay, Maya, and BPI online. What if hindi po ako makabili ngayon hanggang November 12? Don't worry guys, kasi as long as there are tickets left, ayun, pwede kayong bumili kahit hanggang show day pa yan mismo. Bawal po mag-reserve ng seat in advance, no seat reservations po. Hindi daw kailangan ng fully vaccinated guys para makanood ka ng concert. Pero on show day, huwag nyo kalimutan na dalhin yung e-ticket printout or e-ticket na nakasave sa mobile device nyo, then valid ID as well as face mask. Nako, minor pa lang po ako, pwede po ba akong manood? Meron po tayong minimum age required and yun po is 10 years old. Then lahat po ng ages 14 years old pababa ay dapat po is may kasama pong parent or guardian. Manonood din po, may ticket, same section po sa inyo. Then all minors ages 15 to 7 years old na wala pong kasamang parent or guardian, pwede naman po basta mag-submit lang po kayo ng waiver na signed po ng parent or guardian nyo. Yung other ticketing concerns guys is sa next video na lang. So yun lang, fighting guys.